Welcome to this demonstration of grid phase, a powerful solution for modern power grids. With growing demands from electric vehicles, heat pumps, and distributed energy, power networks face increased strain. Load phase imbalances reduce network capacity, increase technical losses, and can even lead to fuse trips. The primary cause of these imbalances is the uneven distribution of single-phase loads, particularly behind the meter, where network operators have limited visibility. This is also where most load growth occurs. To address these imbalances, installers, the ones connecting new loads, need accurate information about loading and tools to take corrective action. Grid phase enables network operators to share load imbalance information with installers in a way that allows them to act effectively. For each three-phase customer, average and peak phase loads are calculated and made accessible. Installers can easily retrieve this data for specific customer using the Grid Phase mobile application, and then identify the phase on site with the Grid Phase instrument. By using grid phase, network operators can empower installers to proactively manage load imbalances, reducing power interruptions, improving grid capacity utilization, and minimizing technical losses. Customers benefit from fewer disruptions and better use of their contracted power capacity. Grid phase is not just a tool, it's a better approach to power distribution management. Visit our website to discover more.